today's date, 11th of July 2022, we have Ruusutorpanpuisto.
Oh, yeah, one,
One.
and two.
1 and 2. This is building 1, right?
I don't know.
Or is it 2?
Two.
Just take a say.
Yeah.
Yes. And this is in Leppävaara, Espoo. In the Espoo region, Finland. It was built in 2003, so might be early 2003 maybe. And this number is 16753. The capacity is 8 persons or 630 grams with. Is this the 40? No one. So.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it's an error. So from 1 to 5 only.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in next year, 2023, when it's turning 20 years old.
Inspected by QI, maintained by Chrome.
It still looks very much like 890, so it's probably early 2003. There's the Schindler logo by the door, yeah.
Yeah.
The first door. That's it.
That's